In the world of investing, every dollar is a potential building block for your financial empire. Investing isn't just about numbers. It's about creating your future, one smart decision at a time. The journey to wealth begins with the first step, the decision to invest in yourself and your future. Believe in the power of compounding, where small investments today create substantial wealth tomorrow. In investing like a pro, discover the wisdom to make your money work for you, creating a life of abundance. Success is not about timing the market, but time in the market. Start early, invest regularly, and watch your wealth grow. Embrace the art of investing, where patience and persistence are the brushstrokes that paint your financial masterpiece. Invest in knowledge and your financial IQ, for they are the keys to making informed and inspired investment decisions. In the journey to wealth, mistakes are the stepping stones to expertise. Each misstep is a lesson in the making. Opportunities arise in the chaos of the market, and the wise investor seizes them with unwavering belief. Remember, the road to wealth is not a straight line. It's a path filled with twists and turns, but each step takes you closer to your financial goals. It's not just about how much you earn. It's about how much you save and invest that defines your financial future. Investing is a journey of self-discovery. It reveals your ability to stay steadfast in the face of market turbulence. Your portfolio is a canvas, and each investment a stroke. Create a masterpiece that reflects your financial dreams. Successful investors know that staying the course during turbulent times is the hallmark of true financial wisdom. Diversification isn't just about spreading risk. It's about nurturing opportunities for your wealth to flourish. Every dollar you invest is a declaration of your faith in a brighter financial future. The market is the great equalizer, where anyone with a plan and determination can find their path to wealth. In investing like a pro, you'll find the keys to unlock your potential as a confident, strategic, and prosperous investor. Remember, it's not the market but your mindset that determines your financial destiny. Investing isn't just about wealth creation. It's about the journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. With each investment, you sculpt your financial legacy, so make it a masterpiece. The power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, and it's on your side when you invest wisely. The journey to wealth is not about shortcuts, but about consistent steps in the right direction. Embrace the journey to wealth, for it's not just about the destination, but the transformation you experience along the way. In investing like a pro, you'll find not just strategies for wealth creation, but an inspiration to embark on your own path to financial success.